Tell me who run the show. Braidsamillion. Who everybody know. Braidsamillion. For my blacks where I go. Braidsamillion. Yeah. Who taking over. Braidsamillion. Tell me who run the show. Braidsamillion.
Hi Bam Babes, we're gonna get right into it. You can type Braids Amillion into Google or Braidsamillion.com into your browser. We're gonna go over here. You can also review us here. Click on website and boom, here you are. So at the top you can see, as well if we scroll down, when the schedule is going to post. It's going to post on the 20th of each month, and it gives the time, so that'll always be there for you. On the schedule page, it will be unlocked. Click book now, and it's going to bring up a form. So go ahead and please fill out this form in its entirety. Your full name, no nicknames please, your cell phone number, as well as a valid email. This is where you will receive your confirmation, the address, your remaining balance, and the date and time of your appointment. So when selecting a date and time, there'll be several dates. This is just an example. You go ahead and click the style that you like, braids, crochet, or stitch braids, the size and length of that. If you have crochet, just click crochet at the top. The color for crochet or men's braids, you're going to click in A. If it's a color that you do not see, you can place that in the comment section. You can choose to have add-ons or not. Your height is necessary to know if I need to adjust any braiding hair. The texture of your natural hair as well as the length. Few COVID questions. This does not determine the acceptance of your appointment, as well as the policy check, that you have read and agreed to the policy page, and that you understand if your hair is not blown out prior to your appointment, you will be charged a $25 fee. You can add anything in the comment section that you feel that I should know prior to your appointment, or any questions that you may have concerning, for example, color, the texture or length of your natural hair, anything pertaining to the appointment. All right, so when we submit this, please screenshot or just take your time paying attention to the post submit message. This tells you how to pay your deposit. Just do immediately. And you can also join our text notification list for $15 off. All right, so when you submit this, this is the form that I received. So a lot of times people may not remember what they've selected. I can go back here, say, hey, you chose this, you chose that, and we can go from there. Now, you will receive a text message that says your appointment is accepted, as well as this email. So this is just an example confirming the date, the time, the style, and the address. The cancellation policy, everything is on there. Please review the policy page to know how to prepare for your appointment. This is just how to book. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick video. Visit Braidsamillion.com when you're ready to book. Have a good one.